The most iconic kit designs. Some football kits are so iconic that you recognize them instantly without even seeing the club badge. Barcelona's blue and red striped kit has existed since 1899. The vertical stripes are called Blaugrana, and they represent the identity of an entire city, not just a football club. This kit is consistently one of the best-selling jerseys on the planet every single year. Real Madrid's all-white kit is one of the most recognized sports uniforms in history. The all-white design was chosen in the early 1900s and has never significantly changed. It is clean, powerful, and timeless. When you see all-white on a football pitch, you know exactly who it is. Liverpool's red kit became iconic through the 1960s and 70s. When the club dominated European football, manager Bill Shankly switched the club to all red in 1964, believing it would make players look more powerful and intimidating on the pitch. The psychological decision became a legendary moment in football kit history. These three clubs prove that the greatest kit designs are not complicated. They are consistent, recognizable, and deeply connected to identity. Jersey types. Every professional club produces three main jersey types each season. The home kit is the club's primary identity. It is worn at the home stadium and carries the historical colors and design the club is known for. Barcelona wear Blaugrana at Camp Nou. Real Madrid wear all white at the Bernabeu. Liverpool wear red at Anfield. PSG wear navy blue at Parc des Princes. The away kit is used when playing as the visiting team. FIFA rules require that both teams wear clearly distinguishable colors at all times. When a color conflict exists, the away team changes. This is why away kits often appear in white, black, or completely unexpected colors that contrast sharply with the home kit. The third kit is the backup option when both the home and away kits create a color conflict. Designers have the most creative freedom here. Some of the most experimental and collectible kit designs in football history have appeared as third kits. Arsenal, Chelsea, and PSG have released third kits that became instant collector's items and sold out within hours. Goalkeeper Kit. The goalkeeper is the only player on the pitch allowed to handle the ball with their hands. Because of this, FIFA requires that the goalkeeper always wears a completely different color from every other player on both teams. The referee must be able to identify the goalkeeper instantly at all times. This is why goalkeepers wear bright yellow, neon green, deep purple, and orange colors that no outfield player would ever wear. Modern goalkeeper kits are made from a heavier stretch fabric that extends to the knee. The elbow and hip areas contain additional padding built directly into the garment to protect against impact when diving. Goalkeeper gloves are an entirely separate category. The latex palm grip, backhand protection, and wrist support system differs across every model and price point. Professional goalkeepers regularly wear gloves worth over $200 for a single match. Kit fabric technology. 20 years ago, football kits were made from basic cotton. Today, the technology is completely different. Nike's dry fit technology pulls sweat away from the skin and pushes it to the surface of the fabric where it evaporates quickly. The body stays dry and cool throughout the entire match. Adidas's Aero Ready technology works on the same principle with a slightly different fabric composition. Nike's Vapor Knit technology is currently the most advanced kit fabric available. It is not woven in the traditional sense. The entire garment is engineered as one continuous piece. Weight is minimal. Breathability is maximum. Only top professional clubs and national teams have access to this technology. All modern kits are at least partially made from recycled materials. Adidas produced a kit made entirely from ocean plastic for a major international tournament. It became one of the most discussed moments in the intersection of sport and sustainability. Replica versus authentic. In the store, they look almost identical. One costs $70. The other costs $150. The replica is made for fans. Thicker fabric, printed numbers, perfect for daily wear. For most people, this is the right choice. The authentic is exactly what players wear on the pitch. Lighter fabric, stitched lettering, slim aerodynamic fit. You feel the difference the moment you put it on. Replica for casual wear and match days. Authentic if you want exactly what your favorite player wears. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Drop your questions below. I read every comment.